Hello, my friends. Bonnie and I are here today to say hello. Hello, everybody. We want to say hi to Kelsey. Okay, Kelsey. Evan. Okay, we'll say hello to Evan. Who else? Daniel. Okay, we'll say hello to them. But Bonnie, what do you have on your head? Cow horns. I like cows. Well, kind of. I like milk anyway. She likes milk. We are playing farmer today, and we're talking about cows and horses and chickens, and our book is called Moo Brown Cow. Do you think that sounds like fun? I do too, Bonnie. So we read the book? All right, let's do it. Okay. Bonnie's going to watch for me. Moo Brown Cow, have you any milk? By Phyllis Grishotter. Ba black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. Do you know that song? I do too. Does wool make a blanket for my bed? Yes sir, the black sheep said. Honk honk, gray goose, have you any down? Yes sir, half a pound. Does down make a pillow for my head? Yes sir, the gray goose said. Cluck, cluck, red hen, have you eggs for me? Yes sir, 1, 2, 3. Do eggs and flour make a loaf of bread? Yes sir, the red hen said. Buzz, buzz, yellow bee, have you any honey? Yes sir, sweet and sunny. Does sun sweet honey make a tasty spread? Yes sir, the yellow bee said. Moo, moo, brown cow, have you any milk? Yes sir, smooth as silk. Does milk make me sleepy before I go to bed? Yes sir, the brown cow said. We're off to bed too, the animals said. In the hive, in the barn, in the coop, in the shed, then we'll dream the whole night through of flowers to sip, green grass to chew, a golden grain of wheat or two, the moon so high, the sky so blue. Sleep tight, farm friends. May I dream of you? What a sweet farm book that is. Everybody was sharing what they have. Did you know that you make feather pillows? And wool can be blankets? Yes, that was so much fun. Bonnie and I are going to continue playing farm. Maybe that's something you'd like to do too. I think so. Thank you for joining me at Goof and Giggle Facebook page and Goof and Giggle YouTube channel, and I'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.